Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. There's an open call for plugin authors to start submitting block plugins to the block directory that will be launching in WordPress 5.5 on August 11. What does this mean for end users? Well, we'll be able to search for blocks as we search for plugins to add directly to our theme. Let's wait and hope to have many blocks available to try. Unsplash has released a plugin for WordPress to connect their 1 million free image library to WordPress. Users can easily search Unsplash directly inside the custom block and insert images with attribution and alt description info automatically filled in. The plugin can be downloaded on the WordPress repository or by searching Unsplash on your WordPress dashboard. On the security topic, please make sure you have WooCommerce subscriptions in the latest version available, since the last release fixes a XSS vulnerability issue. That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend.